kala nyo kayo lang ang merong matangkad na present generation. Meron din kaming Michelle the Twin. Go, Mitch.
Kagaya nga ng nasabi mo kanina, napansin din ni Coach Sherwin ng Adamson na malalaki yung middle blockers ng kalaban. Kaya ang sabi niya, palusutin daw ang bola sa setter to dahil hindi daw ganong katibay ang blocking. Hoping din si Coach Sherwin na gagana hanggang sa uli yung mga open spikers niya sina Sheila Pineda at Angela Benting para daw makalayo sila ng score. Sinabi mo rin kanina, Sev, na matagal na nga nilang nakasama tong si Nene Bautista kaya alam na nila yung mga play. Pero sabi nga niya na kapag gumalaw ang buong team, kaya naman lusutan ng palo at depensahan ng kalaban. Back to you guys.
Exacto. Thanks, Michelle. Samantala, Benting huli. Naka 2 straight points na ang Arellano since the technical timeout. It's 4 against 8. Kasi Dana Henson ang medyo nabasa na ang laro. Kasi scorer din to si Henson eh.
Well,
They service better. Ay, bad
poor
set.
setup.
Bihira yan. Benting sabi tabi kay Jet.
Nako, Bautista. Now, this is a much better lineup for Arellano in the front line, which will give them higher chances of getting more points against Adamson.
Nag-alangan yung block doon. Nakita sa Bautista, ay, nanay ko.
Alam namin ang laro nito.
Then they hesitated eh. Guevara got that to the block. Henson tracks it down. Picar sends it back. Makatuno. Guevara!
And Makatuno has really mastered that set, both for Soriano and Guevara.
Look at Faye Guevara as she approaches. Nilusot sa block. Linis.
Importante dun yung timing.
At ang linis ng pagbasa niya na at eksakto ang timing niya, as you said. Here we go with Sagod. Wala nang anghang yung palo ng Arellano. Anghang.
Poor judgment.
Madali itong Adamson. May lakad sa shakies. For fun family pizza, it's gotta be shakies. Chris Pat has been steady on the serve. Sagod got that to go. Saktan si Sheila doon. Masakit pag mali ang gulo, no?
Oo. On the side of Arellano, they will be needing more of that.
6'10". Sa volleyball player, ngayon, masakit yan, pero you shake it
Wala
off,
na yan
no?
pagkatapos.
Oo.
Ang volleyball player, sanay yan tamaan sa muka, sanay humiga sa sahig.
Nagwawalis na sa higyan.
After training, malinis yung sahig. Masaya na yung mga naglilinis.
Sa Lasal team, siguro kayo nun. Hindi na, wag na. Nag-practice ng volleyball, wag na.
Malinis na yung floor.
Ginamit ng basketball team.
Wala na alikabok.
Ang basketball team, madumi yan. Pero,
Kaya nauuna training namin eh.
Doon sa UP nun, kinikwento mo sa akin, si Coach Jolly pa, sinisipa yung volleyball papalayo. Sabay ang practice. Pero malinis yung volleyball court. This one is inside. It is now 7 against 11 here. Pero your generation, medyo kayo nag-a-ice na pagkatapos ng practice.
Oo, may ice na yan.
Yung aming generation ni Coach Maki Puela, walang ice dyan. Wala, sugat and all. Uwi yan. Pero naniningil ang volleyball, you're older, yung likod. Lower back.
Oh, lower back and a lot of knee injuries also.
Sabi nga ni Coach Mac, if it's less sa age namin, less than 5 pesos, munang pulutin sa bahay. Pagka 10,
sayang lang yung
yung
effort.
Lalo na sa volleyball player. 10 pesos, dive. 5, di ba? 8-11, ba? Sabi ng Arellano, bakit kayo nagmamadali, Adamson? Oh, but Benting has other ideas.
And it's that down-the-line area that has been quite successful for Adamson. Tuwing dinadala nila yung bola doon, they most of the time would earn that point.
Almost automatic with Angela Benting, actually. That's a nice move by Nerissa Bautista using the block. 9-12 now. Zapanta seeing action for the first time. This is Luisa Zapanta wearing number 5 for Adamson. Gamit ang buong lineup. Halos. Makatuno. Zapanta loads up. Rejected. Still ice cold actually.
Yun din yung hirap, if you're pulled from the bench. Ito, third set na. Third set, syempre, medyo malamig ka pa. Iba yung...
Nakapag-umpisa ka. Ano?
Oo.
Ngayon, itong magwa-warm up ka, sa laro ka napapawisan na. Tagal mo umupo eh. Let's see how she adjusts. Oh, Soriano got that through that block. Gusto ko yung communication ng Adamson. Always talking. Always telling each other where to go. High over the block. Nagigigil si Dana eh. Nagigigil.
I think she also saw that there are two blockers in front of her.
Timeout requested by Adamson, or rather by Arellano, that has now fallen behind by 4.
Depensa nila na kagaya, no? Kung mapalo tayo ng open, so nakabilang sila. Butas itong gitna. So targetin ito, itong gitna. Okay? Yung mga opener, basta maglalagay kayo ng bola, huwag nyo dali na zone 1. Gitna. Dito nyo ilalagay. Okay? At saka ito, butas to. Okay? Yung pa rin, blocker pa rin. Oh my God!
Marami ng gera dinaanan yung whiteboard na yun. Okay, that's the schedule of games, live games on Tuesday. NU against Perpetual, Letran against San Sebastian. Letran still looking, actually Letran and San Sebastian both looking for their first wins in the tournament. That is a drop, but it is kept alive. Daliri ang gamit ni Makatuno yan, parang tumaas. Henson is Dana. Soriano adjusts with a twirl. Balse, I thought they'd go to her, and Henson is again red.
Tikar has to find a way to give more balls to Balse at this point in time. Ilang beses natin din napansin that Henson really is having a difficult time in getting those points.
They go, you were saying, Coach
Balse.
Andre Mulya. Alam mo na, pagka may guest player at saka you haven't been together too long, the combination plays, the differentials don't really work that consistently. Kasi hindi kayo sanay sa isa't isa. So they're not trying to gamble, they're just trying to be consistent, as Mitch Datuin said earlier. With the open sets, trying to be sure about where this is all going. Zapanda with a wallop that's very powerful in fact. Free ball. Set up job Makatuno. Soriano foiled. Listana napasigaw. Hello, says Pao. Set up job the other way. Yes, it stays down. Sagun. Tama ka, no? They have to mix their punches a little now because medyo basang-basa na si Dana Henson. Tikar will serve. Down 12-15. They're down in the number of sets to love.
Oh, excellent serve.
Linis, ano? Parang tennis serve. Free toss. Tikar. Balse. Let's score.
Simple as that. It wasn't one of the best hits from Balse, but just really well placed.
You know, when Balse and Bautista attack, you know it's disaster coming. They get a clean connection. Sometimes you're just in trouble. 13-15 now. Tikar's second opportunity to serve during this tour.
Oh, very strong serve coming from Tikar.
In the corner. And Adamson reaches the technical timeout barrier first again. It's 16-13. They lead in the number of sets 2-0.